Yeah, we almost got killed by a bird. Oh my God, this bird! Right now I'm headed over to the juice company because they don't open until 9. And today we're also going to church. Maybe Americana? Pretty sure Americana. Dodo, put on your seatbelt. Are you not feeling good today, Dodo? I don't like parking downtown, Dodo. Parking downtown sucks. I could never live downtown.
I couldn't even.
I love that brunch.
Chicken with honey mustard, cheesy potato.
I got mimosas.
I don't mind.
It's good stuff.
And I really, really enjoyed that.
I did enjoy it too.
Intimate conversation around me a lot. I put my.
Oh my God, this bird!
Oh no! Okay, that bird.
This bird, watch this bird. Yeah, we almost got killed by a bird. You gotta go to where?
Target, Nordstrom Rack, maybe TJ Maxx.
Okay. Sounds like a plan for date day.
Oh yeah. Don't tell them what we're doing tonight.
Yeah.
It'll be a surprise.
Surprise for tonight.
And guess what? It's not eating out.
Yeah. Because we don't eat out all the time. You know what we do? Is spend a lot of time with each other.
Yes.
Doing other things, and we don't film that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll show you ours if you show. Wait. We'll show you.
No, we'll never show you mine if you show me yours.
So creepy. Don't say.
I was talking about my fidget spinner.
Yeah. Cool.
Anyway, we'll have to make another trip to Minnesota just to get fidget spinners.
Fidget
spinner trip.
Did you know Mason
Cool
City
transition.
got a TJ?
Stop. I fell asleep in the car for a while.
Go on and kiss the girl.
Yeah, I don't know if I like themed t-shirts. It may not be ours. Baby, I found it. Target has really stepped up their graphic tee game.
That's cool. I might try on one of these.
This is one with Bob Ross. No mistakes, just happy accidents.
I don't shop. I'm not a shopist.
Really all about me.
Where are hats? I like this hat.
You gotta get your bangs out of there. You gotta get.
I gotta go to a hat store. I think I'm gonna go fishing. America. We just had somebody come by us and say, "Oh, you guys look so cute. You match with your sunglasses indoors." Baby Dodo, your favorite national pastime is shoes. Dodo, you have like 1,000,000 pairs of shoes.
These?
Like those. I don't
These.
know. But where would you ever wear those to?
No, nowhere.
Well, those kind of right there.
Yeah, fake in stock. So the fake Birkenstocks are fake in stock. So I had to leave Heaven at Target. Now I gotta go get this juice, take it back to my house, put it in the refrigerator, then I gotta go pick up Heaven. So apparently I've been doing the juice thing all wrong. She gave me some fabulous advice on how to be successful with it. Juice cleanse. I got a hat. Dick's Sporting Goods looking for Patagonia hats. Heaven actually snagged the last one, and because it looks so pretty on her, I decided to let her have it.
Oh, you decided to let me have it.
She would have fought me, and I would have lost. So. Pretty much last minute, we just decided that we were going to go to the Pirates of the Caribbean movie, so that's where we're going right now. So, quick review. Pirates, Dead Men Tell No Tales. Red box it.